Hey guys, how is everybody doing? This is Adrian. I'm your instructor for Kinesiology 111, and I have been in the facility during our normally scheduled class time. I've seen a couple of you working out, which is great. I've also seen the posts and responses where I see a few of you are working out on your own in your own time frame, which is totally fine. I appreciate the effort you're putting in for the post and response. Just as a reminder, remember with post and response, it's post and respond to get the full 5 points. Okay. Here we are, summer school class, or summer term class, I should say. We know it's 8 weeks, and we've had 2 weeks, which brings us to the end of Module 1, so we're 25% done. But I want to point this out. You have several assignments that are all due by the 19th, which is Sunday at 11:59 p.m., right? So today's the 17th. You got until the 19th at 11:59 p.m. That's going to be your post and response 1, post and response 2, workouts 1 and 2, which is one assignment, workouts 3 and 4, which is on another assignment, and your check for learning. So when you go into Module 1, you scroll yourself all the way down to the bottom. That's where your assignment folder is, down there. And everything is in there, right? So make sure you get those done because you know point-wise, this is 25% of your grade, right? And I can tell you when I checked the grading center today, there were some assignments missing. So go in, get them done. If you've already taken care of your post and response and check for learning and everything else, then you're good to go. What you'll find is when you do your weekly workout log, it is going to be somewhat similar to your post and response that you have at this point, because you're basically taking the workout that you put in the workout log and you put it in the post and response, and you're going to comment on each other's workouts. That'll evolve a little bit over the next couple of weeks, but my point is, don't get confused by the fact that these are going to be very similar, weekly workout log and post and response. If you have any questions, any comments, any concerns, feel free to email me, and you can email me at the address listed here in faculty information, and that's the best way to reach me. Otherwise, guys, I hope your workouts are going well, and to that end, I hope you guys are going to be good over the next couple of weeks getting the rest of your workouts done. Thanks a lot. Bye now.